Hi everyone, I'm Will with R&R Tire Express, and today we're going to be reviewing 3 different Blackmagic products: our Pro Shine Protectant, Fast Wax, and Tire Wet. We're going to show you how we use them and our results all today on Tread TV. So we've picked 3 specific Blackmagic products today to review because they cover all areas of our car. Your Pro Shine Protectant is going to be your interior, your Fast Wax is going to be your exterior, and your Tire Wet is of course going to be your tires. Let's start with the interior of our car and take a look at the Pro Shine Protectant. So we all know the struggle of the interior of your car and keeping it pristine. You got vinyl, rubber, leather, all sorts of different surfaces that are being pounded by the sun day in and day out. It can discolor them, it can crack them, damage them, unless you have a really good protectant, which is what we put the Blackmagic to the test for our car, right? And it's super simple to put on. All you do, spray it on the cloth, wipe it amongst the surfaces, and really let it sink in. And that's it. That's all you have to do. When you need it again, you reapply it again to make sure you keep protecting those surfaces in your car. Now, trust me, all your surfaces will thank you. Next, let's talk about the exterior of your car, and let's take a look at Blackmagic Fast Wax. Now, washing a car with soap and water is great, but it's not going to protect your car from the elements. That's why you need a product like the Fast Wax. And I'll tell you, out of all the waxes that you see out there, some you dip into a can, some you pull from a sponge, this is incredibly easy. You spray it on a microfiber cloth like this, and you're going to work it in a circular motion just like you would a normal wax until you see it dry and you see that hazy look on your car. Now this part's important. You want to take a clean microfiber cloth at that point, not the one you just used to put the wax on, and remove the haze in the same circular motion. Once you do that, it's all cleaned off and you have a protected body from the elements. I've also got a little pro tip for you. If you own custom wheels, this also works great for that. All you do, put it on the exact same way, wipe off the haze, and you have a protected custom wheel as well. It keeps it free from the elements and things that can damage them, like brake dust. So, protected body, protected custom wheel, all with Blackmagic Fast Wax. So now let's talk about our tires. And let's look at Blackmagic's most popular product, which is their Tire Wet. Now I'm gonna tell you, there's not much I like more than a set of shiny tires when I wash my car. And with Tire Wet, that's exactly what you're gonna get. And it's so simple to use. If you're like me and you like a high gloss shine, you're gonna simply take it, spray it on the sidewall of your tire, wait for it to dry, and you're good to go. If you don't like something that's flashy and you want a little low gloss shine, you spray it on a towel or sponge, wipe it on the sidewall, and you've got a low gloss shine. Now, if you don't have tires, I don't know why you're watching this video. But if you need tires, you should visit R&R Tire Express. We have all the major brands and we have affordable payment options as well. Little side plug, we can talk more about that later. But what you need to know is if you have tires, you need Tire Wet from Blackmagic. Makes your car look wonderful and it's super simple to use. So there you have it. We reviewed the Blackmagic interior product with the Pro Shine Protectant, our exterior Fast Wax, and the Blackmagic Tire Wet for your tires. Now here's the great part. You can find these products at participating R&R Tire Express locations. And we offer them because we've tried them and we know they work. We would not offer anything to our customers that we haven't tried ourselves and that we don't put our stamp of approval on. We love these products. We know you're gonna love these products. If you'd like to find a location, go to rnrtires.com/locations and pick up your Blackmagic products today. Thanks for watching this episode of Tread TV. If you'd like more information on how to care for your vehicle or your tires and wheels, make sure you check out one of our other videos or subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you never miss a single update.